The Holy Roman Empire, a sprawling yet fragmented political entity in Central Europe, epitomizes power without unity. Its vast territories, ruled by numerous princes and electors, struggled to form a cohesive state. Founded in the early medieval period, the Holy Roman Empire was neither holy nor Roman, nor a centralized empire in the modern sense. Rather, it was a complex patchwork of semi-autonomous regions under the nominal authority of an emperor. The emperor's power was perpetually limited by the entrenched privileges of local rulers. From duchies to bishoprics, these entities jealously guarded their independence, often resisting imperial decrees. The election of the emperor by a select group of prince-electors further diluted central authority. This elective monarchy contrasted sharply with hereditary monarchies elsewhere in Europe. Throughout the Middle Ages, emperors attempted to assert their influence, but faced constant challenges from powerful nobles and the papacy, who both sought to check imperial ambitions. The investiture controversy in the 11th and 12th centuries exemplified these tensions, as emperors and popes clashed over the right to appoint church officials, undermining imperial unity. Despite efforts at reform, including the Golden Bull of 1356, which codified the electoral process, the empire remained politically fragmented, with no strong central government emerging. The decentralized nature of the empire allowed for cultural and political diversity, but hindered collective action, especially against external threats such as the Ottoman expansion. The empire's legal framework was complex, with overlapping jurisdictions and competing authorities, further complicating governance. Local rulers often prioritized their own interests over imperial cohesion, forging alliances independent of the emperor and sometimes even opposing him militarily. The emperor's role was often more symbolic than executive, serving as a figurehead for a loosely connected assembly of states rather than a sovereign ruler. This fragmentation was evident in the empire's inability to field unified armies or implement consistent policies across its territories. Economic disparities between regions also contributed to uneven development and further weakened centralized control. Religious divisions, especially during the Reformation, deepened internal fractures, as Protestant and Catholic states within the empire pursued divergent paths. The Peace of Westphalia in 1648 formally recognized the sovereignty of individual states within the empire, effectively acknowledging its fragmented nature. Despite its lack of unity, the Holy Roman Empire persisted for centuries, adapting to changing political realities while maintaining its traditional structures. Its legacy influenced the development of federalism and the concept of sovereignty in European political thought. The empire's story is a testament to the challenges of governing a vast, culturally diverse territory without strong central authority. It highlights the tension between local autonomy and imperial ambition that shaped much of European history. Understanding the Holy Roman Empire requires appreciating its unique political complexity, rather than expecting a unified nation-state model. Its history provides insights into the nature of medieval and early modern power structures and their limitations. The empire's eventual dissolution in 1806 marked the end of an era, but left enduring impacts on the political landscape of Central Europe. Today, the Holy Roman Empire remains a fascinating example of how power can exist without unity, shaping the course of European development in profound ways. Join us as we explore the intricate tapestry of the Holy Roman Empire, where fragmented authority defined an age and set the stage for modern Europe.